Hello everyone and welcome to my channel. I hope you all are doing well. If you're new to my channel, you're highly welcome, and if you're returning, thank you so much. I appreciate you all. So guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how to make agidi. So guys, my mom taught me this recipe, and during the time of my pregnancy, this was like all I crave for, this agidi. You won't believe it. Like guys, it's helped me a lot, like big time. So so I decided to share with you guys. So if you want to see the outcome of this agidi, please keep on watching. And if you haven't subscribed to my channel, please go ahead and hit that red subscribe button and tap on the bell icon. In that way you get instant notification whenever I upload a new video. So thank you all so much for watching. Until I see you guys in my next video, stay blessed, stay beautiful, and I love you all. Now I'm going to add water according to the quantity of corn flour I'm making. So I ended up adding 3 cups of water. So now I'm going to add my corn flour. So if you can remember, I made the haul. When I made the haul, I showed you guys this corn flour and told you I'm going to make a recipe, you know, with it. So here you go. So now I'm going to go ahead and add this corn flour. And remember, you have to wash your hands thoroughly before the next step. So here, as you can see, I'm using my hands to mix everything. You can actually use your wooden spoon if you choose to, but I just prefer to use my hands to do this. So at this time, you can see I haven't on my cooker, but just this particular one I'm using to cook right now. Yeah, I haven't on this, but as you can see, I'm cooking something in the other pot. So after that, I'm going to grab my wooden spoon. I'm going to start stirring. It's good to use your hands at the initial time. You can see there is no lump. It's just good to use your hands because you can get everything at the initial time. So by now, I'm going to on this particular cooker. 5, yeah, that's what I need. So, and I'm going to continue to stir. So guys, I left it after 2 to 3 minutes, and I'm going to start stirring it. You can see at the bottom it has started to form. You can see it. So you need to continue to do this for like say 2 minutes to 3 minutes, then you leave it, and then you come back 2 to 3 minutes, then you leave it. So I'm going to leave it for 5 minutes after this, and then I'll bring it back later. So guys, as you can see the way it's looking now, I thought I should bring you guys back. You see it has started to form, so make sure you don't leave it to go out or something, because it might form. So just continue to stir. It has started to form, but don't worry, and just continue what you're doing. You can see it's forming. So by this time, I'm not going to leave it. I'm just going to continue to stir it. guys, this agidi, you can actually use corn flour like I'm using now. You can use akam, you can use custard. If you just follow these steps, you achieve your desired agidi. And yeah, if there's any other question you have regarding to this, please let me know. Put that in the comment section. I will be happy to, you know, help out. So yeah, I just thought I should put that out there, you know, why I'm stirring this. Guys, I'm going to add a little bit of water. So guys, this helped me a lot when I was during the time of my pregnancy. It really helped me like a big time. I'm going to add it a little bit of water, and I'm going to allow just a tiny bit, as you can see, and I'm going to just clean this out. So guys, I'm going to cover the pot, but I will come back in 5 minutes. So see you guys later. Welcome back. So after 5 minutes, here you go. This is how it should be looking at this time. So I'm going to go ahead and start stirring it. Yeah, so this is what you should be doing just now. Just take your time. Take your time while doing this. So guys, while doing this, while stirring this, if you see any lump, just target it and then mash it. It will be good. And after this, I'm going to transfer the agidi into a bowl. So while you're doing that, make sure you get a bigger plate. You don't use a smaller one, so that your agidi can actually, you know, form as quickly as possible. And after that, if you want to eat it, like say you want to eat it after you made it, just put it in the fridge. And yeah, after like 5-10 minutes, it will help and form your agidi instantly. So that's the tip. So guys, after transferring the agidi inside this bowl, I'm going to go ahead and use this same spoon, and I'm going to start smoothing the agidi gently. You can see how I'm doing that. I'm just taking my time to make sure it's properly, you know, done. My pot, there is no burns, no trace of burns in it, so you can see how it looks. So I'm going to put it in the fridge just for 5 minutes to 10 minutes. You can see how it looks. And guys, that's the outcome of this agidi. You just take a little bit and then put in your pepper soup, or just, you know, enjoy this agidi just the way you want. But I made pepper soup on this particular day, so we are going to enjoy our agidi with this pepper soup. And this pepper soup recipe is coming soon. If you haven't subscribed to my channel at this stage, please go ahead and subscribe to my channel and tap on the notification bell. Only that way you get instant notification whenever I upload any video. And I want to say again, thank you so much for watching. Until I see you all in my next video, stay blessed, stay beautiful guys, and I love you all. Bye. Bye, guys.